even reach its output, our stamina is reduced. Ang tigil mo. At na-output ko sa inverter. Anong kailangan ng brain para maging alert? Iron. Nagkakaroon ng oxygen sa brain.
Ba't nakinukunan si Daddy?
Saramat has 50% of baby's daily iron needs to help them grow bright and
Hello, dito? Hello? 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 Mama, mama! Mama, mama! Mama, Hindi pa po. Sino si Brando? Brando! Brando! Kuya yung Brando! Brando!
Martin eh. Ano message nyo kay mama nyo?
Ano kaya? Mama!
Kasi dun, para malinaw.
Spider-Man is stuck toy.
Dun, atras kayo dun. Dun, pinto.
Tama na. Mama, birthday na ako!
Yan, bunga.
Everything else about my life success. One night,
Marangan yung camera.
Anong camera?
Talaga po. Doon yung papunta ng kapilya. Yan, itong street na to papunta ng kapilya. Itong street na to papunta ng kapilya. Tapos dito sila nakatira. Yan. Ito yung papunta naman doon sa De La Paz, papuntang plaza, straight. Ayun yung Methodist Church. Yung kina mami dati, yung palikudon kina mami. Yung bagong tinitira ni Tito Manny. Ayan.
Kuya! Kuya, kuha naman si Brando! Kuya, kuha naman si Brando! Kuya, kuha naman si Brando!
Madilim, Tito Manny, walang ilaw eh. Ano yung message mo kay Tita Bebot? Oo.
Ingat lang sa karate.
Ingat always!
Also, I would like to thank Madam and Sir for being so kind with my wife, and thank you very much for everything. It's my pleasure to express my feelings with you, Mom, Sir. Also, I'd like to thank Mr. Braca and his family. Thank you very much, sir, for your support. My wife, hopefully my wife will get to this, and thank you very much to Rani, Jason, and I'm sorry, I forgot the name of the for mother. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Also, I hope I can have some good things. Thank you.
Ayun lang. Okay.